Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Here are the most exciting new updates. Apple's most exciting and colorful flagships, the new iPhone 17 series lineup, were exposed with their updated color palettes. According to the latest available data, the new iPhone 17 series lineup's fresh leaks keep on coming. The latest one shows the entire lineup in all of its color shades and new pricing details. Let's dive into the video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is said to be preparing to launch its next smartphone lineup, potentially dubbed the iPhone 17 series lineup this fall. It is believed that the new iPhone 17 Pro Max smartphones are getting massive upgrades in design, display, camera department, and exclusively in new color shades. The new Apple iPhone 17 lineup leaks keep on coming, and the latest one shows the entire lineup in all of its colors. The new information was shared by insider Sonny Dickson, who published their entire color palette, including Apple iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max respectively. The hero color orange on the 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max undoubtedly stands out the most. This is not the first time we're seeing any of these colors, as they were the subject of renders and even a short video from earlier today. As you can see in the video, the iPhone 17 Pro will feature a big redesign on its back, with a big camera island filling almost the entire width of the device, Poco style circa 2 years ago. The cameras themselves will be in exactly the same spots as before, only now they're part of something bigger. The other color options for the Pro models include white, dark blue, and black. We can also see the repositioned Apple logo on the back of the Pros, which has been rumored for a while. The vanilla iPhone 17 will come in 5 color shades: pink, previously rumored as light purple, green, light blue, white, and black. The highly anticipated iPhone 17 Air is shown in light blue, gray, white, and black. On the other hand, as for the price, Apple may increase prices across its upcoming iPhone 17 series by $50, according to recent reports. The change could take effect when the new models launch in September 2025. This price adjustment would impact all iPhone 17 models. That includes the base iPhone 17, the new iPhone 17 Air, replacing the Plus, iPhone 17 Pro, and Pro Max. The iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in early September, though the exact date is yet to be confirmed by Apple. Pre-orders will start in the same week. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.